Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day, sir. I am Glenda Rose Fernandez Ruiz, 37 years of age, married with 3 beautiful daughters, ages of 15, 10, and 4. I live in Ramon Isabela, Philippines. I am the eldest in the family. I have one brother. I am college level who took Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I have experience as a helper here in the Philippines for almost 2 years with one couple, and they have only one son with age of 3. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing their clothes, do marketing, and taking good care of their child. That is my main responsibilities.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure his safety, and when he is sick, I thoroughly check his temperature, give him a lot of water, comfort him, and make him rest. Then if he is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a responsible, hardworking, trustworthy person who is committed to work, honest, and loving and caring to children.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, I don't have, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide a better future for my family, especially for my children, and to be able to be financially stable.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband, my parents, and even my in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I stay focused to my work and remind myself that I need the job for my family.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. after my work and wake up around 5 a.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I stay calm and be more patient when dealing with them, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. I'm willing, and I will extend my contract if needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more jumping monkeys in the bed.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, good day, sir and ma'am. I hope that you will give me a chance of opportunity to work for your family. I assure that I will dedicate myself fully to my responsibilities. I am a skilled, responsible person to face challenges in overseas. I will promise that I will serve your family with all my best. I will finish my contract, sir, ma'am. Thank you.